Oh, welcome to the Hey Buddy Truck Driving School, where we learn to tear up every model Freightliner that's ever been made. Come on down. I'll teach you how to rip a hood off a Freightliner in under 3 minutes. We'll also teach you how to walk around talking really loud on your cell phone in a truck stop parking lot while wearing flip-flops. We'll learn how to knock the turbine clean off the head of the guy in the Freightliner next to you. We're conveniently located on the corner of Punjabi Road and Hakka Street. So if you want to learn how to almost run over the instructors and everybody else on the road, maybe commit some fatalities, come on down to Hey Buddy.